Good morning, students. I am Lakshmi Mari. I am taking third standard SST subject. Today's our second topic is Kolkata. In previous class, you have learned about the Kolkata location and climate, life of the people of Kolkata, transport, and famous peoples. Now, in this class, you are going to learn about the places of interest. Kolkata is also known as the city of places because it is full of historical momentous and grand mansions. Many of them were built during British times. Kolkata is known as the city of places because of the number of buildings built by the British Raj during the 19th century. These buildings have been maintained till date and act as architectural proofs of our country's rich history and struggle by freedom. Next, Rabindra Setu, places of interest. Rabindra Setu, popularly known as the Hora Bridge, the Rabindra Setu was built by the British across the river Hooghly. It is a famous symbol of Kolkata. The main Rabindra Setu, the Hora Bridge, is proper cantilever bridge or the river Hooghly. Its iconic shape is very typically associated with Kolkata. Next place, Victoria Memorial. It is one of the most famous buildings in Kolkata. The white marble monument was built in honor of Queen Victoria of Britain. A museum and a sound and light show explain the glorious history of the city. The memorial stands next to the Mandan, a large city park by the river Hooghly. The Victoria Memorial is a large marble building in Kolkata. This huge white marble museum made from Makrana marbles from Rajasthan is filled with a vast collection of remnants from the period of British Empire rule in India. Indian Museum, the oldest museum in the country. It has interesting exhibit including fossils and an Egyptian mummy. Indian Museum in Kolkata, also referred to as the Imperial Museum at Calcutta in colonial era texts, is the ninth oldest museum in the world. Next place, Eden Gardens. Eden Gardens. It is the largest cricket stadium in India. It is the home ground of the Kolkata Knight Riders of the India Premier League. The Eden Gardens is an iconic cricket ground in Kolkata, India. Knight Riders of the Indian Premier League. Next place is Birla Planetarium. Birla Planetarium. It is the largest planetarium in Asia. It can seat more than 600 people. It is a single-stored circular structure designed in the typical Indian style. Next, Alipur Zoo. It has many animals such as the Royal Bengal tiger, jaguar, hippopotamus, great Indian one-horned rhinoceros, giraffe, and macaws. Its most famous animals was Advaita, a giant tortoise which was over 250 years old when it died in 2006. Next place is Kumartuli. This neighborhood is known for its sculptors who make beautiful clay statues of gods and goddesses. The idol of goddess Durga made here are sent to cities around the world. The idol hub in Kolkata 5 months before the grandest Bengali festival of Durga Puja. Belur Math, Dakshineshwar Temple, and the Botanical Gardens are other important places near Kolkata. In Kolkata, Belur Math, Dakshineshwar Temple, and the other botanic gardens, these important places near the Kolkata. Now we will do exercises. Take the correct option. First one is Kolkata is the capital of Dash. The given options are Assam, Bihar and West Bengal. And the correct answer is West Bengal. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Second sentence. The most important festival of Kolkata is Dash. Given options are Christmas, Durga Puja, Raksha Bandhan. And the correct answer is Durga Puja. The most important festival of Kolkata is Durga Puja. Third one is the Victoria Memorial is made out of dash. Given options are granite, slate and marble. And the correct answer is marble. The Victoria Memorial is made out of marble. Next question, tick the true statements and cross the false ones. First one is Saint Teresa is the first Nobel Prize winner from the city of Kolkata. This sentence is false. Second, the people of Kolkata are fond of regarding books. This sentence is true. Next sentence, the Rabindra Setu is built over the river Yamuna. This sentence is false. Next, Kolkata was the first city in India to have the metro system. This sentence is true. Next, Mohun Bagan is a famous cricket club. This sentence is false. Next question. Answer the following questions in one sentence. First one is name a form of transport found only in Kolkata. And the answer is terms are a form of transport found only in Kolkata. Second, which was the most famous animal in the Alipur Zoo? And the answer is the most famous animal of the Alipur Zoo was Advaita. Again, tortoise. Third question. The Rabindra Setu is built over the river Yamuna, and the answer is the International Kolkata Book Fair is the biggest cultural event for book lovers in Kolkata. Next, Kolkata was the first city in India to have the metro system, and the answer is sorry, students, that third question was wrong. Third question is name the biggest cultural event for book lovers in Kolkata, and the answer is the International Kolkata Books Fair. Book Fair is the biggest cultural event for book lovers in Kolkata. Fourth question, list some famous Bengali sweets, and the answer is Rasgulla, Sandesh, and Mishti Doi are some famous Bengali sweets. Last question is what is Rabindra Sangeet? And the answer is the poem and songs composed by Rabindranath Tagore are collectively known as Rabindra Sangeet. So students, now it's time to take the homework. Students, you have to write correct, tick the correct options, true statements or false statements, and answer the following questions in one sentence. From lesson number 2, Kolkata, page number 244 in your SST homework book and send on the WhatsApp. Thank you.